Welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, and I am the physician that created and founded Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. Today, this is the second of my two-part series. It's a short series. And we're going to talk about allocution, which is a follows the first, which was on the personal narrative, which ended the personal narrative. Essentially, it's you are attempting to change the initial narrative that has been put online from the Department of Justice and explain what's brought you to this point, showing that you have remorse for the victim's pain, embarrassed for what you've done to your family and the community, and accepting responsibility for your actions no matter what happens. And now that you are in the sentencing hearing, this is the first time that the judge is able to see you. And so it allows you, the judges has been able to review your pre-sentence report, which was done by the probation officer during the pre-sentence interview. And so the judge may wish to enter conversations with you. And if he does, then you take him up on that opportunity, as nervous as you may be, which also can act in your favor. Because you are remorseful for the victim's pain and suffering and how it's impacted them. And you can tell the judge that you know that you're the only one that you have the blame, and that you needed to communicate this apology and regret to the court, but also to the victims if they're in the courtroom. And that you are ashamed and embarrassed for what you've done to your family and the negative light that you put on your community. The seriousness of the crime cannot be minimized. But this is the first time that really you've been in any trouble with the law, and this is not a true reflection of who you are as a person or the lifestyle that you really have led. You're not looking to minimize what you've done or the seriousness of what you've done, but part of what has brought you to this moment was, and then you could go into a brief explanation of what was in your narrative, and the judge will ask you, will quiz you on that. And lessons learned are going to be with you for the rest of your life. You don't ever want to be back here again. The rationalizations that you faced were just not right. It was false rationalizations. You were guilty. You don't want to go there ever again. You're going to have to spend the rest of your life trying to make amends, but do-overs don't exist. There's no excuses for what you did. And while you're prepared to accept the punishment, you hope that there's a degree of leniency, but you know that your sentence may not change. And you appreciate the judge giving you time to at least express some of your regret and your remorse to the court, but knowing that you'll never be back. I hope you found this helpful. My phone number is 240-888-7778 if you have any questions. My website is Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service, PPRSUS.com. Thank you for listening, and I appreciate your time.